In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch old Zoom meeting recordings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to rewatch or download past meetings without any confusion. Start by signing in to the Zoom web portal in your browser. This is important because recordings are managed on the web, not inside the desktop app's meeting window. Be sure you're using the same account that hosted or recorded the meeting you want to access. If you have multiple Zoom accounts, double-check you're in the right one so your recordings appear. Once you're signed in, look for the Recordings option in the left-hand navigation. That page is your hub for everything you've recorded. If it doesn't seem to be there, make sure you're fully signed in and not browsing as a guest. You can also refresh the page to load your account menu. On the Recordings page, you'll see two tabs: Cloud Recordings and Local Recordings. Cloud recordings are stored online by Zoom, so they're available from any device with a browser. Local recordings are saved to your own computer at the time you recorded them. If you're not sure which type you used, check both tabs. You can also use the date range filter or search by meeting topic to narrow things down when you have a lot of recordings. When you find the recording you want, click it to play or download. For cloud recordings, clicking the meeting opens a detail page where you can play the video right in your browser. You may see separate files like the video and audio, and sometimes additional resources such as chat text or an audio-only file. To download, use the download buttons next to each file. The video typically saves as an MP4 and the audio as an M4A, which work with common media players. If the recording was saved locally, clicking it in the Local Recordings tab shows where it lives on your computer. From there, you can open the folder on your device and play the MP4 with your preferred media player or copy it to another location for safekeeping. Remember, local files stay on the computer that did the recording, so you'll need access to that machine. If you don't see what you're looking for, adjust the date filter, confirm you're on the right account, and check with the meeting host if you were not the one who recorded it. That's all there is to it. Sign in, go to Recordings, choose Cloud or Local, and click the recording to play or download.